Are you still writing your list?
Yes, on paper. It's easier to see everything.
Paper? That's so old school. I use my phone.
And then you forget to look at it.
That's not true. Sometimes I just check it late.
Okay, let's see who forgets less today.
Deal. Now, cart or basket?
Basket. We're only buying a few things.
You say that every time, and then the basket is too heavy.
All right, take the cart, but we're staying strong. No extra things.
Promise. Let's go in.
Wow, it's bright in here.
And the music is loud, but I like it.
I can smell the bakery. It's so good.
Focus. First, milk, vegetables, fruits.
Wait, what about coffee?
Oh, right. Add coffee. And salt.
And batteries?
Batteries? Since when?
Since the remote died last night.
I knew we forgot something.
We always forget something.
Not this time. We'll be perfect shoppers.
Sure, perfect shoppers who already have 3 extra items,
Okay, fine. But coffee is essential.
and so is chocolate.
Chocolate is not on the list.
It's on my mental list.
You just want an excuse.
Maybe. Shopping without chocolate feels wrong.
All right, one small bar. And I'm adding soap.
Soap? You're thinking too practical.
Someone has to be.
Look at all these options. 10 kinds of milk.
Why is it so hard to choose one?
Everything looks the same.
Just take this one. Low fat, good price.
But this one has a prettier packaging.
You're not buying art. You're buying milk.
I know. It's just too many choices.
See? Even simple things turn into adventures here.
Maybe that's why I like shopping with you.
Because it takes forever?
No, because it's never boring.
Well, let's keep it that way. Next stop, the vegetables. The vegetable section looks so colorful.
Yes, everything is fresh today.
Look at these tomatoes. They're so red.
And heavy too. That means they're juicy.
How many should we take?
4 or 5, we can make salad tonight.
Good idea. What about carrots?
Yes, and some lettuce too.
Do you like this one or the other type?
This one looks crisper.
Okay. Into the bag.
I'll grab some potatoes too.
Wait, not too many. We still have some at home.
Just a few. They're small and cute.
Everything looks small and cute to you.
Maybe because you always choose giant ones.
I like food that lasts longer.
That's why our fridge is always full.
True, but we never waste anything.
Oh, look at these peppers. Red, green, yellow.
They're beautiful. Let's take one of each.
Agreed. They'll make the salad look nice.
Do we need onions?
Always. I can't cook without onions.
Fine, one small bag.
Wait, check the price.
I did. It's good. Cheaper than last week.
You always notice the prices.
And you always notice the colors.
That's why we work well together.
Yes, we balance each other.
Oh, they have herbs too. Want some parsley?
Yes, fresh parsley makes everything better.
And it smells amazing.
Okay, I think we're done here.
Not yet. I want some lemons.
For what?
Just because they're pretty and useful.
That's a good enough reason.
Fresh, colorful, and practical. Perfect combination.
Exactly. Let's move to the next aisle before I buy the whole section.
Where to now?
The dairy section. It's my favorite.
Then lead the way, Mr. Price Checker.
Only if you promise not to buy extra yogurt again.
No promises. Yogurt makes life sweeter.
Here we are, the dairy section.
It's cold here, but it smells nice.
Yes, everything looks so fresh.
Look at all these yogurts. So many flavors.
Do we really need that many?
Of course. I like trying new ones.
Last time you bought 4 and ate 1.
That's called collecting experiences.
Right. Well, I'll take some cheese then.
Which one? There are 100 types.
I like this one. It's soft and creamy.
Good choice. Should we get some milk too?
Yes, we used the last one this morning.
How about this brand?
Wait, there's a sign. Buy 2, pay for 1.
Really? Let's check. Oh yes, it's true.
See, we're professional shoppers now.
Hunters for discounts.
Exactly. That's a new skill for our resumes.
I'll grab 2 bottles.
And I'll take a small butter pack.
Don't forget the cream. It's near the back.
Got it. Anything else?
Maybe some eggs?
Right. They're right behind you.
How many?
A dozen. It's safer to have more.
Okay, all set.
Look at us, organized and fast.
Yes, we're getting better every week.
But still, we'll probably forget something.
That's part of the fun.
True. I like this part of the store.
Why? Because it's calm?
Yes, and it smells like breakfast.
That's a nice way to say time for coffee.
Agreed. But first, the bakery. I can already smell the bread.
You're impossible to stop when it comes to bread.
Come on, it's the best part. Let's go. That smell. Fresh bread just came out.
I knew you'd say that as soon as we got close.
How can I not? It smells like heaven.
Let's just look.
Just look always means buy something.
Maybe 1 loaf. Whole grain or white?
Whole grain for you, white for me.
Deal. And maybe a croissant, too.
Only 1?
Fine, 2 croissants. 1 each.
You see, you can't resist.
I'm only human.
Look, they also have small rolls with cheese.
Stop tempting me.
But they're warm. Feel this one.
Oh no, now I want one too.
See, I knew it. Okay, add 2 rolls.
Done. And that's it. We're leaving this section now.
Wait, there's also a rack of sweetbreads.
No. Turn around.
But look at the small cakes.
Nope. We'll come back next time.
Fine, you're stronger than I am.
Someone has to be.
All right, let's pay for these here.
The lady at the counter is smiling.
Yes, she looks so friendly.
Good morning. 2 croissants and 2 rolls, please. Thank you. That will be $5.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
She's so sweet.
Yes, it makes buying bread even nicer.
Let's eat 1 croissant now, while it's warm.
Deal. It's so soft and buttery.
I love this moment. It feels like a small break.
Shopping and snacking. The perfect combination.
And simple joy, too.
Right. Even standing here with a croissant feels special.
Okay, finish up. We still need to visit the sweets section.
You're leading me straight into trouble again.
I know, but at least it's the sweet kind of trouble.
Wow, look at this aisle. It's full of sweets.
Yes, it's like a rainbow of chocolate and cookies.
Where do we even start?
Let's go slowly so we don't miss anything.
You sound like a tour guide in a candy museum.
I just like this part. It makes me feel like a kid again.
Me too. Oh, look at these cookies, my favorite brand.
The ones with chocolate inside?
Yes, they're so good with tea.
Okay, put one box in the cart.
Only one?
Fine, two, but that's it.
Deal. Now it's your turn. What do you want?
I want something healthy. Maybe dried fruits?
Dried fruits? That's your idea of fun?
Yes, they're sweet and good for you.
All right, pick your favorite.
These apricots look nice.
Perfect. I'll take some chocolate too.
Of course you will. Dark or milk?
Milk. Dark is too serious for me.
And you're clearly a very serious shopper.
Exactly. That's why I need chocolate, to stay focused.
Oh, look at this section with candy bars. They're on sale.
Again with the sales, you're worse than me now.
Maybe I'm learning from you.
See? Shopping is education.
A sweet education.
I think we have enough now.
Are you sure? There's ice cream too.
No! Step away from the freezer.
But it's my favorite flavor.
No. We already have too much.
Okay. You win this time.
Thank you. I'll add self-control to your list of skills.
I'll add fun police to yours.
That's fair. Now, let's head to the checkout before you change your mind.
Fine. But next time, we're buying ice cream first.
Deal. Next time, you can lead the sweets mission.
The line at the checkout looks long.
Yes, but it's moving fast.
Good. My hands are tired from pushing the cart.
You said we'd only buy a few things.
And I was wrong, obviously.
That's an understatement. Look at this mountain of groceries.
Well, everything is useful.
Except maybe a second box of cookies.
Hey, those were on sale.
Sure, that's your favorite excuse.
Okay, let's start putting things on the belt.
I'll hand them to you. Be careful with the eggs.
I'm being careful.
Oh, and the flowers too. They're delicate.
Flowers? When did you add those?
Well, you were busy comparing prices on pasta.
I should have known. You can't resist flowers.
They make the house look nice.
True. All right, your turn to pack the bags.
I'll do it. You pay.
Deal? Oh, the cashier is smiling at us.
Hello, did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you have a store card? Yes, here it is. Thank you. That'll be $29.75.
Not bad for a cart full of happiness.
That's one way to call it. Card or cash?
Card, please.
All done. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too.
See? That was quick.
Yes, teamwork makes shopping easy.
And heavy. These bags are not light.
You're strong. You'll survive.
I'm strong, but my arms disagree.
Come on, there's a bench near the exit. We can rest there.
Good idea. Maybe get a coffee, too.
Yes, there's a machine right outside.
Perfect. Shopping and coffee, the best combo ever.
The air outside feels nice.
Yes, after the noise inside, it's so calm here.
Let's sit on this bench for a minute.
Good idea. My arms need a break.
Mine too. These bags are heavy.
At least we're done.
Yes, and look, there's a coffee machine right next to us.
Perfect. Want a cup?
Of course. Shopping isn't complete without coffee.
What do you want? Latte or cappuccino?
Latte, please. And you?
Black coffee, as always.
Okay, here we go. 1 latte, 1 black.
Thank you. It smells so good.
Yes, I love this moment. Quiet, simple, after the crowd.
Me too. Let's check the receipt while we drink.
Sure. Milk, vegetables, coffee, bread, sweets.
And flowers. You really did sneak them in.
Of course, they're my little tradition.
Next time, write them on the list.
But then it wouldn't be a surprise.
True. Oh, look, we forgot salt again.
No way, not again.
Every time. It's our shopping curse.
Maybe we should just accept it.
Yeah, salt isn't meant to be our friend.
Well, everything else went perfectly.
Yes, and we even stayed under budget.
And we didn't fight. That's a record.
That's because you let me buy the croissants.
And you let me get the chocolate.
See? Compromise works.
Exactly. Small things, big peace.
I like these simple days.
Me too. No rush, no stress, just a cart full of good things.
And 2 cups of coffee.
The best ending to our shopping adventure.
Should we do this again next week?
Of course. Same time, same store.
Deal. Next time, we'll remember the salt.
No, we won't. But that's okay.
You're right. Some traditions are worth keeping.